The goal today will be to remove my on-demand hot water tank and install it with the Combi boiler. If you've seen part 2 of the heated driveway series on this YouTube channel, you'll see that when I drilled through the foundation, this is the pipes that we put in. Stick around in this video to see if we have any problems or it all goes smooth as planned. Does it ever go smooth as planned, or is there always problems?
Dad, no, I love his house.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Careful.
Oh, here we should shovel. Can I not get the truck in?
Mom, look, it's flooding.
Well, I'm not. No, they're just making a path. Yeah.
A few moments later.
And if you're wondering what country we're in, wouldn't be a work day without some Timmies. Oh, and there we go. Got all the glycol in the manifold. There we have it. The boiler, the Combi boiler is installed. We're on melt, no air codes, and we'll see. And hopefully when you guys tune back in, I'll get a good video of the snow melting. So it's pretty late. You can see my neighbor's got his snow. I will get a good time lapse, but yeah, we're up and running. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button.